Hey, I wanted to make a part two because I forgot to mention one particular thing when I was installing this. Of course, I've got it all back together and it looks really good. It fits perfect. There's the 4-prong, 7-prong. The thing I forgot to mention is that once you're done installing the Ford OEM trailer hitch, you have to have your computer in your vehicle updated. If you're inclined, you can get the 4Scan and buy the cord to hook it up and get the software and do it yourself, or do like I'm doing and taking it back to the dealer that I got the Bronco from. I've actually called around to some dealers. There's one dealer up here that said, yeah, we could do it for $180, and I'm like, yeah, for a 10-minute job, I'm going to come see you people. Right. I'm going to go over and talk to the folks that I got my Bronco from, and since it's was relatively recently, I'm kind of hoping maybe I can get a freebie out of them, or something reasonable, give them 40 bucks to update my computer. But that is something that has to be done after you install this, and I wanted to include that because I forgot to put it on the main video. Y'all take care, and I hope this video helped.